Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and it means so much if you guys hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday, and I also do post on my Patreon 2 to 3 more videos every single month, which will be the first link in the description box. I'm gonna be sharing with you all my tips, tricks, and life hacks on how to get rid of frizzy hair immediately and fast. I just recently uploaded a DIY frizzy hair mask video, so I totally recommend checking that video out after this one. I'll link it above and have it down below. I definitely struggled with frizzy hair for a very long time and have been able to get it under control and restore my hair. If you guys wanna see kind of products that are geared towards frizzy hair and top products that I like for frizzy hair, then thumbs up this video and let me know. I will share a few in this video, but there's definitely a lot more products and things that you could do to help with frizzy hair. Let me know what kind of hair type you have, and with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. What causes frizzy hair? In short, it's due to dryness and damage. Your hair is constantly thirsty, and when its hydration requirements are not met, the cuticles of your hair rise to let the moisture in. The excess moisture from the atmosphere causes your hair to swell up and in turn frizz. Constant dehydration leads to damage, leaving your hair frizzy and lifeless. Frizzy hair is just a cry for nourishment and moisture. There are many things that you can do to tame frizzy hair. So let's move into the tips and tricks that will help with frizzy hair. First, I want to start off with one thing that really does make a difference with your hair texture and your overall hair is just eating right and drinking more water. I wanted to start with this tip first because it's something that a lot of the times we don't think about when it comes to skin and hair. But if you are having a more healthy, balanced diet and you are also drinking your water, it's going to make a difference on the outside. I always notice a difference in my skin and hair when I'm drinking more water and eating healthier. So I wanted to throw that tip out for the beginning just because it's something we just don't think about but really does make a difference. Now let's move on to the outer. So products you can do or just tips and tricks you can do to help with frizzy hair. And the first thing I'm gonna start with is having a good shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna share with you what I've been loving for frizzy hair. When it comes to your shampoo and your conditioner, there is a bunch of things you want to definitely look for, which I'm gonna share with you today. The shampoo and conditioner that I've been loving for frizzy hair is the Monday Hair Care Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner Set. I will have it linked down below for you guys. I am by no means sponsored in this video. It is geared towards helping with dull and frizzy hair, and it does really work. It's also super affordable, by the way. It's not pricey at all, but it definitely gives you that salon quality. It smells also amazing. You would never know that this is such an affordable shampoo and conditioner. You want to make sure that you don't have a shampoo and conditioner that has sulfate, so you want to make sure you're looking for sulfate-free products. The shampoo and conditioner set I am sharing is sulfate-free. The reason why you want to avoid sulfate is because it strips and damages your hair over time, which will mess with your hair cuticle and in turn lead to frizz. You want to go for a more gentle shampoo, and the Monday Hair Care Smooth Shampoo is super gentle. It is not abrasive and rough at all, and it provides that moisture for your hair. Another thing you want to look for when you are buying your shampoo and conditioner is you want to cleanse with glycerin. You want to look for a shampoo that has glycerin as one of the higher ingredients on the list. Whatever ingredients are near the top is the ones that are most used, and the ingredients on the bottom are the least used ingredients, just for a little tip when it comes to any product that you buy. This ingredient is really great if you are trying to target frizzy, dull hair. This shampoo and conditioner set does have glycerin. Not only does glycerin help combat frizz by penetrating the hair shaft and hydrating it from the inside out, but it also creates a protective coating on the strands, helping avoid damage. So your shampoo and conditioner is super important because you are using these products constantly throughout your life, so you don't want to have something that's just damaging your hair over time. And there's a lot of different products out there that may work the first few times, but over time your hair just feels super damaged and you're just sucking the life out of your hair. And moving on to the conditioner, I really enjoy this one because it's super moisturizing on my hair. whenever I apply a conditioner, I always apply it from the middle shaft all the way to the end of my hair. And a tip I like to always do is just have your conditioner sit in for a full 5 minutes before going ahead and rinsing it out. You're going to notice your hair being so much more moisturized. But those are my main tips when it comes to the actual shampoo and conditioner. And the set that I've been using, I've just been noticing such a difference in my hair when I just use my shampoo and conditioner. It really just has been helping with the frizziness and the dullness of my hair. It is really important to have a good shampoo, but something you want to try and avoid over shampooing your hair too much, because this is just going to lead to frizziness. Every couple of days, instead of using your shampoo, use a conditioner and kind of skip the shampoo step. Conditioners are a lot more moisturizing. By rinsing your hair only with conditioner, you're definitely going to give that moisture in your hair and not overstrip your hair. My next tip is to mask weekly to heal your frizzy hair. If I give one tip, it's add hair mask into your routine, because it's made the biggest difference to my overall hair health. And I'm gonna share with you my top hair mask when it comes to frizzy hair and my top DIY hair mask, because I genuinely really trust in DIY hair masks. I've been doing it for years, and that's what really has saved and helped my hair. I do use also just store-bought hair masks, but for the most part, I go DIY, and I'm telling you, ever since I started, I never looked back. Of course, hair masks are what's gonna give you that deeper hydration than just going in with a shampoo and conditioner. If you do want even deeper hydration, I always like to apply my mask on dry hair for at least 30 minutes before jumping into the shower and rinsing it out. And something that I always like to do is regular oiling. So adding oil into your hair makes such a big difference with hydration. And the two oils that I love when it comes to frizzy dry hair is olive oil and argan oil, also known as Moroccan oil. They are packed with natural components such as vitamin E, fatty acids, antioxidants, and really help keep the moisture locked in the hair. So those are the two kind of oil masks that I like to use. But if I'm not using an oil mask, there's a couple more DIY hair masks that I like to use for frizzy hair. And like I did say, I just uploaded my top DIY hair mask for frizzy hair, so I totally recommend checking that out after this video. But those are my favorite hair masks for frizzy hair. And my top two ingredients, I'd say, when it comes to hair mask is an egg and also yogurt hair mask. Eggs hair mask makes such a difference in my hair. It helps with the frizziness, the shine, and it also helps with hair growth. And also yogurt is really great at combating frizzy hair. I'll either do an egg mask or I'll use a yogurt hair mask. Doing a hair mask on the weekly is really gonna make sure you lock in that hydration in your hair, and it's going to change your overall hair health. And that leads me to my next tip, which is smooth frizzy hair with oil. So I'm talking about oil after you get out of your shower. I always like to apply some sort of oil. I really enjoy using my Moroccan oil after the shower. And something that I've been doing after the shower that I've noticed such a big difference is applying my oil to more wet hair. I used to wait till my hair was pretty much dried and then I would apply my oil, but I find when I apply it out of the shower, my hair just dries a lot less frizzy. The oil is going to really act as a barrier and keep the humidity from penetrating and causing flyaways. I will link everything down below that I do mention in this video for you guys, but like I said, I typically like to go for Moroccan oil, or I will use my Matrix Biolage oil that is geared towards combating frizz as well. My next tip is just a random little hack that I like to do to help with frizziness, and that is to combat your frizziness with using hair accessories. So something I like to do once I'm out of the shower, my hair is starting to dry, is I will use little clips, and usually in the front, to clip down my hair, and then that just allows your hair to dry more flat and avoid those flyaways. I have a lot more flyaways on the front of my hair, so I will use these clips that don't cause any creases in your hair. I will try to find them down below and link them for you. I always like to do this once once my hair is actually drying after the shower so that it is just more flat and not as puffy when it dries. This next one is another little hack that I like to do, and that is to bring dryer sheets on the go with you. So if you're out and about, and let's just say it's super hot outside, that's usually when frizziness tends to happen. If you just run the dryer sheet through your hair, whether it's the ends of your hair or where your scalp is, and you just rub it down. So this is a really great life hack to use if you're just in a pinch and your hair is just not cooperating and is just all over the place. And then my last tip is to try to avoid as much heat as possible, and as well as get your frequent trims when you can. This one can be really hard depending on who you are. I know for myself, this was really hard for a long time. I always used to be one that used heat tools, and it wasn't until recently where I really try not to use heat tools often on my hair. I'll make sure I only use it a certain amount of times, and that's it. And I'll let my hair dry natural and just kind of go with natural hair for a certain amount of time. And I notice whenever I do that, I find my natural hair texture has been coming back to life. I had really like wavy, curly hair, and for a long time, my hair just wasn't that anymore because I damaged it so much with heat tools. And you could damage it even with dyeing your hair, and that could really cause your hair to be frizzy because your hair is so dry, so damaged and dull. So you really want to make sure that your hair is the healthiest it can be. You're going to, overall, your hair is just not going to have as much frizz, and that's just going to make, honestly, probably one of the biggest difference in your overall hair. Those are all my tips, tricks, and life hacks on how to get rid of frizzy hair fast. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you did. Like I said, I will have everything linked down below, as well as my Patreon, which I upload an extra 2 to 3 videos there every single month and talk to you guys over on there. So if you want to join, I'll have it down below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday. And on that note, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!